Hi, this is Umar. A few days back we posted a video about long expiry short straddle. If you haven't watched that, you can click the link above and watch it. Now this is one of the trades which we have taken in one of our accounts, and I will share the trade details with you shortly. Many of us go for weekly straddles or monthly straddles, but smart money always go to long term options. These are the options which have an expiry of more than 6 months or more, and this strategy cannot be back tested because as far as I know many websites don't support long term expiry. And why we suggest long term option is because there are some good advantages than short term options, which you will understand in this video. And one more thing I want to share with you is we have been telling many positive things about options, and we talk about strategies and how to manage strategies, right? Let me share with you a sad story also, and this is a real life incident which happened a few months back. I will explain that in the second part of the video, and after that you will know the real color of market. As always, consider subscribing to this channel. We have a vibrant community where we discuss many things relating to the stock market, and you can join there as well if you want. The link for the Telegram channel is in the description below. Now we'll go to options Opstra, and we'll go to real trades, and I will go to December short straddle. Yeah, that's the trade we have taken, and we'll see what we have done. Yeah, what we did is on around 22nd or 23rd, I think, we took a short straddle on December expiry. That is that is more than 6 months away from expiry. Yeah, 6 months expiry, and we have collected a total premium of around 2000 rupees. That is the call side we collected a premium of around 1116. And the put side we collected a premium of around 953. Yeah, so the total profit margin we have collected is around 1.5 lakh rupees. And the break even, if you see, is on the downside our break even is around 13,000, and on the upside the break even is around 17,000. So you imagine there is a 2,000 points difference. We don't have any problem if the market goes 200 point upside, and we don't have the any problem if the market comes down 200 points, right? That is the objective of this trade. And if you see, these kind of trades can be adjusted easily. You don't have to do anything. And look at the profits. Since we initiated this trade has given us a profit of around 10%. And you know what? I haven't touched this trade. We haven't done any type of adjustment. You don't have to do any type of adjustment. And look at the market from 14,800, it came all the way down to 14,200, and it is coming. It's back to 14,500 range. Market is volatile. It is moving up and down. It is going everywhere. But the straddle is in profit. And of course there are some negative also. See, if you select a monthly straddle or a weekly straddle, unless until you know to manage it, you don't have to worry. You can go with it. Yeah, what will happen in short term straddle is, for example, if you take the monthly straddle, and as and when it comes to expiry and nearing expiry, if it makes a violent move, then you are in trouble. You will find it very hard to manage the straddles when it comes to a near expiry. Yeah, for example, say expiry is next week, and market is moving violently, you will not be able to manage. You will be able to manage, but you will require lots and lots of margin money, which is as I told you, you need to be, your pocket needs to be really deep, right? So you will not face those kinds of problem in this straddle. See, even if the market moves violently, and there is one more thing, we deployed this straddle in a correct timing. We need timing, there are some other things which we need to consider when you deploy a long term straddle. You don't just go there and you see the straddle and you don't jump into that straddle. You have to see the perfect timing, and you have to see some other metrics also, which I will explain in future videos. As of now, if you see this straddle, we deployed around March 22nd, 23rd, and as of now this straddle has given 10% return on investment. And I have, as I told you, I have not even touched anything, do anything on the straddle. I just put the straddle and I'm just relaxing. When the hard work is coming is when our break even point is breached, we will have to do something, and you have to do some homework. You have to think how to exit the trade, or you have to do some other adjustment. So this is the straddle we deployed, and this is, as of now, this is giving us a good margin of around nearly 10%. And you know what, this April month is having more holidays, so it is the best time for straddles and strangles. And of course, there is a strong disclaimer: please consult your financial advisor before investing in options. That's a good trade, right? See, whatever I tell you is less than 10% of what many smart people do. Do you think an HNI to come out and let you know how he makes money? They don't do that, right? And to be honest, whatever I tell you will help you to some extent only. If you see the real color of the market, this is nothing. Let me share with you an incident. If you could remember, on December 21st last year, we had a major fall. Nifty crashed around 600 points in a single trading session. There were some technical issues, and all the trades, all the orders in the Nifty were not going through. One of my friend had a decent capital running into few lakhs, and she had deployed a straddle on 21st December around 10:30, and things went very well, no problem. Exactly around 11:30, Nifty started falling non-stop from 13,800. It came all the way to 13,100. That 700 point fall is in just one trading session. And you know how much loss? 17 lakh rupees loss in just one trading session. What you can do? Orders were not going through, and Nifty started falling like anything. And NSE extended the trading session, and Nifty recovered some losses, I think. The next day, after the market opened, she squared off all the position, and within 3 trading sessions, Nifty recovered all the losses. Now imagine the state of her mind. 17 lakh is not a small money. She has to work another 1 or 2 years to recover those losses. People who come to stock market, deploy some strategies, try to manage them, and after few successful trade, they become overconfident. You know what mistake she did? She deployed more than 80% of the capital in just one trade, and when things go wrong, your head start to spin. Here is where the discipline kicks in. No matter how much you make, utilize a small portion of your capital, and if things go wrong, there might be some element of luck which may save you. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.